that far. Hello, welcome to InfoComm. It's day one. We have a lot of new products to show, a lot of hardware components, new improved Compass, a lot of Compass implementations, a lot of environmental and all over setup and system improvements. So we're going to have a lot of fun. We hope you're going to join us. Thank you.
Welcome to Key Digital's InfoComm booth at InfoComm 2014. Today's day number one, and a lot of folks are very excited to hear about the HD Lite series HD-based T matrix switchers from Key Digital. So this is our Digital IQ series, the HD 4x4 Lite, KD HD 6x6 Lite, and KD HD 8x8 Lite. These are matrix switchers with integrated HD-based-T transmit extenders, so your outputs are an HD-based-T. It is the HD-based-T B specification, meaning you have 70 meters distance for all resolutions up to 1920 by 1200. It also supports 4K, and actually, in fact, the matrix switcher contains 8, 6, and 4 receive extenders for the 8x8, 6x6, and 4x4 respectively. So let's take a look behind to show you what makes this so special. Well, again, I'll start with the support of 4K. This is an unbelievable part. You know, at Key Digital, we're an engineering company. We've tested many 4K matrix switchers out there. This one works with all the sources, all the displays, where many others have lots of issues. This 4K has been unbelievably reliable for us. This is not only a matrix switcher for video and audio, but it is also a built-in master controller for compass control. So we take a look here and we have 8 of our expansion IOs. These ports are used for IR, bidirectional RS-232, or even as a voltage trigger. We could even take this expansion IO, plug in Key Digital's KD35mm AIRH. What does that all stand for? It's a 3.5 millimeter on one side, and one other end has your control, one-way control. The other end has audio return channel from the display connected to the respective HDMI output. So this is 8 control ports here. Each of your 8 receive extenders for HD-based-T features a control port for IR or bidirectional RS-232. So now that's 16. And then we take something extremely unique here at Key Digital. We plug in our Champion Series Hi-Fi Jump 12 FM. It's a HDMI jumper cable, male to female, with a control breakout for IR or bidirectional RS-232. We could connect that to your 8 HDMI inputs. We could connect 8 more to your 8 HDMI outputs, and it gives us a grand total of 32 control ports on the 8x8 matrix, 26 control ports on the 6x6 matrix, and 16 control ports on the 4x4 matrix. Finally, one more cool feature. All of those receive extenders are powered over HD-based-T, meaning you don't need to have your wall wart connected behind the display. Instead, you have your secondary power connection here to power all 4, 6, or 8 receive extenders.
Hey, welcome to InfoComm Day 1. This is our live demo. We're using actually the Lite series today. This is a HDMI switcher. This one in particular is the 4x4. And this one comes with compass control built inside. And right now we're going to control a few basics, as in video, audio, and a little bit of security. If you can see here, we can go into our video matrix, and we have multiple zones here. We can actually select all zones, and we can actually be changing all zones at once with our simple control. Like that, just like that so. We can also go into audio, and we're actually using the Ashley 4x8, the Pro T.
I'm like, okay, I lost
and you can actually see that we have full control over the Ashley, as well as bi-directional feedback. You can see that the first two are muted, and we can actually unmute those two right there. And you can actually see it right live on the display. Right now let's mute 3 and 4. and it would just pop up right on the Ashley. We are also using our 8x8 MX8 Pro, which is one of our audio solutions. This one is analog and also digital audio. We have full volume control there, as well as bass, treble balance, lip sync, and delay. And for security, we're using the Leviton RF module. This is talking Z-Wave, and we can actually talk to any Z-Wave devices. In particular, right now we're using the quick set locks. If we wanted to lock our doors, we can actually see our doors locked right underneath us. And we can also unlock straight from the iPad. And this is our live demo here at Compass Control, Key Digital booth, 9322.